and sexual assault of a 4-year-old allegedly by a school sweeper on a school premises in Maharashtra's Badlapur has brought angry parents to the streets demanding justice and safety for their daughter. Politics has begun on the matter, as operations remain blocked at Badlapur railway station for almost 10 hours after protesters descended on the tracks, hurled smoke bombs and even pelted stones at the police. Cops used force and lathi charge the protesters. Following this, the first train was allowed to pass through the station. Meanwhile, police has denied using any force on the protesters.
This morning I've been just seeing you. You have relentlessly, you are just present over here. Please help me understand one thing. You pacified the entire protesters. What is the situation currently?
The situation is totally under control. Yes, there was protest going on, but the protest was in view of a very sensitive issue. So police had to refrain themselves from taking law in their hand, and we wanted it to close by convincing. We tried to convince them. And at one point of time we realized that this is affecting the entire operations, and that's why we warned them, and then without using any force, we removed them from the track, and it happened within 5 to 10 minutes. You must have seen that they removed. Later on, the railway operations also started. Yes. So from both sides, up and down trains, they are running now.
And Minister Girish Mahajan, who has been sent by the Shinde government to Badlapur for damage control, called the protests politically motivated. Listen in.
भी जो लोग थे यहाँ के स्थानिक थे, बाहर के थे, वो ट्रैक पर आकर बैठ गए थे। घटना भी वैसी शर्मनाक, दर्दनाक थी, बहुत गलत थी। जो 3-4 साल के बच्चे पर जो अत्याचार किया गया, इसका समर्थन तो कोई करेगा नहीं, लेकिन इसको बहुत कड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए, फास्ट ट्रैक में केस देना चाहिए, ये मांग आंदोलनकारियों की थी। और हमने सब, हमारे मुख्यमंत्री शिंदे साहब है, देवेंद्र जी साहब, अजीत दादा, सभी ने ये बात मान भी ली। गृह मंत्री देवेंद्र जी, उन्होंने भी कहा था कि फास्ट ट्रैक में हम देंगे। उन्होंने कहा उज्जवल निकम जो सरकारी वकील है, पीपीए स्पेशल, उनको दीजिए, उनको भी रखा गया। उसमें पुलिस ने कार्रवाई करने में देरी क्यों की 11-12 घंटे, उसकी भी जांच हुई। ऑन द स्पॉट कुछ पुलिस अधिकारी है, उनको भी सस्पेंड कर दिया गया, हो गई। और इसमें कुछ पॉलिटिकली मूवमेंट थोड़ी हो गई, कुछ मुख्यमंत्री माझी लाड़की बहन के पोस्टर जानबूझकर लगाए गए।
All right, now getting some breaking news on this story.